Prince Siddharth left his family, palace, kingdom in search of peace of mind and ideal human life. He went to forest, the place which was exception for human abundance. He thought only meditation and vigorous harms with body would be fruitful to achieve the ideal stage. He only wore one cloth for enough body covering. He reduced his food intake. At first, he had 2 meals in a day. Then he reduced it and used to take one meal, then reduced to half meal. By continuing this reduction, he used to take only one rice grain as whole meal in whole day. By continuing this diet, one day Siddharth felt unconscious and fell down. Luckily, a lady was passing from that place. She was with filled peaches. She saw that someone was fallen down on the land, losing his consciousness. She ran there. She put some water from her pitcher on face of Siddharth. Siddharth woke up with some consciousness. The lady got that Siddharth became unconscious because of starving. That ordinary lady said, "I think you are not going in right direction for peace of mind in life, because starving will not take you towards peace." She told Siddharth, "These are my peaches. I have attached both peaches to each end of bamboo lath. Hence, it is easy to take both peaches at a time comfortably." Siddharth thought regarding his and that lady's conversation. Siddharth went out of the forest. He went near a river. He saw a musician was doing some work with his music instrument. Siddharth asked him regarding his activity. The musician said, "I am trying to have perfectly tightened string to produce desired and soothing music. The string should not so tight and not so loose, because it affects the soothing music produced by the instrument." Siddharth thought regarding these two incidences, and he had enlightenment regarding true peaceful mind and ideal human life. We see in life, we try to do something at extreme level for results, but is that extreme needed? To take water from the river, we have to fill both the pitchers attached to the bamboo lath. To hear soothing sound, we have to adjust string at its medium level. If this not happens, then no water will be carried through pitchers and no soothing sound will come from the instrument. In our life, we have to work on the medium level. We have to make balance between two extremes. Then it will be fruitful to have peace of mind and ideal human life. This was easy middle path stated by Gautam Buddha. The former prince named Siddharth, this is life story and be present in life.